Stihl is a renowned manufacturer of chainsaws, and their chainsaw skill in chopping large trees is one of the most important and valuable skills that any professional logger or arborist can possess. When it comes to cutting down large trees, there are several key factors to consider, including safety, efficiency, and precision. First and foremost, safety is always the top priority when working with chainsaws. It is essential to wear the appropriate safety gear, including eye and ear protection, gloves, and sturdy work boots. It is also crucial to assess the tree and the surrounding area carefully before starting any cutting work, looking out for any potential hazards such as nearby buildings, power lines, or other obstacles that could cause harm or damage. Once safety has been established, the next step is to determine the most effective way to cut down the tree. For larger trees, it is often necessary to use a technique called the open-face method, where a wedge-shaped cut is made on the side of the tree where it is intended to fall, followed by a horizontal cut on the opposite side of the tree. This creates a hinge that helps control the direction of the tree's fall and minimizes the risk of it falling in an unintended direction. Stihl chainsaws are specially designed to handle the demanding task of cutting down large trees. They feature powerful engines and high-quality cutting chains that are optimized for cutting through thick, dense wood with ease. Additionally, Stihl chainsaws are designed with ergonomic handles and controls that help reduce fatigue and improve accuracy during extended periods of cutting work. In addition to cutting down the tree, it is also important to remove the branches and limbs to prepare the trunk for transport or further processing. This is where Stihl's chainsaw skills really come into play, as arborists and loggers must carefully maneuver the chainsaw to remove branches, while maintaining control over the trunk and avoiding any potential hazards. With the right tools and techniques, however, it is possible to cut down even the largest trees safely and efficiently, ensuring that they are utilized in the most responsible and sustainable way possible. A Stihl chainsaw works by using a two-stroke engine to power a chain that is wrapped around a guide bar. The engine drives a crankshaft, which in turn rotates a sprocket that is connected to the chain. The chain then moves around the guide bar, which is typically made of metal and has a groove that the chain fits into. To start the chainsaw, the user typically presses a primer bulb to fill the carburetor with fuel, and then pulls a starter cord to crank the engine. Once the engine is running, the user can control the speed of the chain by manipulating the throttle trigger, which increases or decreases the amount of fuel flowing into the engine. As the chain rotates around the guide bar, it cuts through wood or other materials. The sharp teeth on the chain are designed to bite into the material and then pull it away from the rest of the object. This cutting action is facilitated by the teeth on the chain, which have a sharp cutting edge on one side and a flat surface on the other. As the chain rotates, the cutting edge bites into the material, while the flat surface helps to clear away debris and sawdust. To ensure safe and effective use of a Stihl chainsaw, it is important to follow all safety instructions provided by the manufacturer and to wear appropriate safety gear, such as eye and ear protection and sturdy work gloves. Additionally, it is important to keep the chainsaw well maintained and to regularly sharpen the chain to ensure optimal cutting performance. Using a chainsaw can be dangerous, so it is important to follow proper safety instructions to ensure safe and effective use of the Stihl chainsaw. Here are some important safety instructions to keep in mind. Read the manual before using your chainsaw. It is important to read the manual and understand the safety instructions provided by the manufacturer. Wear protective gear. Always wear protective gear when using a chainsaw, including eye and ear protection, gloves, hard hat, and boots with steel toe caps. Check the chainsaw before using the chainsaw. Inspect it for any damage or loose parts. Make sure the chain is sharp and properly adjusted. Clear the work area. Clear the work area of any obstacles, such as rocks or branches, before starting the chainsaw. Use proper technique. Use proper technique when using the chainsaw, including a firm grip and a balanced stance. Avoid overreaching or standing on unstable surfaces.
Just hang on. Give it a second, though. Pair of gloves here. Yeah, I think we're going to have to tickle more. It looked like it was going. Yeah, it looked like it was going to keep going there. Maybe it's sitting on that Dutchman now.
Use the chainsaw at the right angle. Use the chainsaw at the right angle, keeping the blade away from your body and maintaining a safe distance from others. Use the chainsaw at the right time. Use the chainsaw during daylight hours or in well-lit areas. Avoid using it in wet or icy conditions or when tired. Shut off the chainsaw when you're finished using the chainsaw. Shut it off and remove the key to prevent accidental starting. By following these safety instructions, you can help ensure safe and effective use of your Stihl chainsaw.
That was awesome. Ooh-wee. Go stand on the stump, Daniel. That's huge. Huh? That's huge. I'm still walking on the stump. Still standing on the stump. Holy shit.
Holzwerk Ladenburger is a company based in Kirkingen, Germany, specializing in the production of wood products. One of its production lines is the cross-timber profiling line. The cross-log profiling line is a machine that cuts logs or boards into cross-shaped profiles. These profiles are then used for various applications such as roof trusses, facades, fences, and other structures. The profiling line for logs from Holzwerk Ladenburger can process logs with a diameter of up to 500 millimeters and a length of up to 15 meters. The machine can also be equipped with special cutting tools to create different profile shapes. The company values quality and sustainability in production. The wood used for production comes from sustainably managed forests and is processed using the latest technology to ensure the highest quality. Overall, the Holzwerk Ladenburger cross-shaped profiling line offers an efficient and precise method of producing cross-shaped wood profiles for use in various applications.